I live above the boiler room. The intermittent, mildly thunderous rumble, strangely, soothes me. Fire in the belly of the building I live in, core of the heart of the skeletal structure within, reminds me to try not to forget, to storm the gates of the docile, the indifferent, the passive, to embrace the recklessness of this undernourished spirit, the rambunctiousness of this unsupervised wit, and yes, to fuel the fire, to take the road of frost, less traveled by, the path that begs the legs to run, the head to spin, and the heart to race. Rumi whispers mischievously from the embers, run from what is comfortable, live where you fear to live. 13th century wisdom lingers. I live above the boiler room. The warm wooden floor below me shivers. Restless ghosts of future fervor nestle into the boiler's rhythm, and I am awake.